Hi and welcome to my crib. Papakita ko sa inyo kung itsura ng kwarto ko, kung saan kami nakatira. We are here in Clue, containerized living units kung tawagin namin. And then I'll show my crib. And of course this is my room. It's Tango 1027. And of course that is my fucking name over there. Then as we go inside, you can see this is my room. Come in. That is my wall of fame, and of course that is my bed. And under sa bed ko, andyan po lahat ng mga tsinelas ko. Lahat medyo madilim, lahat ng tsinelas ko. And then this is my snack bar. Andiyan dyan lahat. I'm gonna show you later kapag maliwanag naman ha. So this is where I sleep. Of course that's my flat screen TV. And then it's me. Hi. And then this is my favorite part. Dito kasi yung reception. Dito ako papaupo ng mga bisita ko. We usually hang out here, drink some whatever. Then of course this is my ito yung door. Pagpasok mo, yan. So, of course, religious pa rin naman ako. And those are my bags, as usual. Then, ito yung locker ko. Lahat ng damit ko is nandito. And then, sa baba, makikita nyo is, nandiyan yung underwear, socks, accessories ko. Dito yung belts. Of course, nandito yung underwear. Tapos nandito yung lahat ng caps ko. And everything's there. Then dito naman is makikita nyo naman lahat ng pants ko. Open natin yung light. Ito yung pants ko lahat. I have 20 pairs of pants dito. Of course nandito yung personal things ko. Favorite perfumes ko nandito rin. Of course syempre hindi pwede mawawala ang aking favorite perfume. Then from here, we go move on to the next locker. Ito naman po yung locker ko ng I separate black at saka gray ko na t-shirts. And then yung personal stuffs ko pag naliligo ako, everything's there. Lahat yung ginagamit ko everyday. So separate ko syempre ang black and gray. And then mga board shorts ko, andyan dyan lahat. Mga shorts ko. Mga shorts. And of course, ito yung bags ko. There it is. And then dito naman makikita nyo naman is yung mga damit ko na red, pink, andito sila lahat. So everything is separated. I don't know kung gaano siya kadami. Andito sa lahat. And of course dito naman makikita nyo yung sapatos ko. Lahat ng sapatos ko nandito. And of course I usually use them every day. And then nandito naman yung t-shirts ko na formal, long sleeves, yan kapag may mga dinner sa labas. And then lahat ng white shirts ko and polo, andito lahat. And then lastly, isang locker ko, andito yung personal belongings ko. Andyan jewelries ko, watches, passport and everything's there. And then syempre magkakahiwalay yung t-shirt ko ng color, say like blue kung blue, green kung green, yellow and everything, para I would know na last week is nagamit ko lang is itong t-shirt. And then nasa baba yung mga inner tops ko. Then kanina nakikita nyo medyo madilim. Ito yung reception. Dito kami nagtamatamig sa aming mga barkada ko. And then of course that's me. And of course that's me. Hello. Hello. And of course that's my bed. And then ayun, bukod sa sapatos ko na nandito, meron pa akong sapatos nandito sa ilalim, plus nandoon pa yung mga chinelas ko, slippers ko, sandals ko, and everything's there. Plus ito yung mini bar ko, snack and everything. Ito yung usually diet ko kapag ka weekend, kinakain ko lang palagi, nood ng TV, yan. And